Hey everyone, we're going to find the derivative of a polynomial using the difference quotient. And basically the formula is the derivative of x equals the limit as h approaches 0, or it gets smaller and smaller. And then our difference quotient is f of x plus h minus f of x over h. And the polynomial we're going to use is f of x equals negative 3x squared plus 9x minus 10. So the first thing I'm going to do is do this part right here. And I'm going to do, everywhere there's an x, I'm going to put x plus h. So I'm going to do the limit as h approaches 0, or gets smaller and smaller, negative 3, there's the x, and then 9, and there's the x, minus 10. And I'm going to input x plus h. Alright, then I'm going to subtract the whole original function, which is negative 3x squared plus 9x minus 10. And of course this is all over h. Now from here you simply clean everything up. So the first part's going to be the limit as x tends to get smaller of negative 3 times x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus 9 x plus h minus 10, and then I just distribute my negatives, so that's going to be, I'm going to negate this, that's going to be plus 3x squared minus 9x plus 10 all over h. Now I got one more thing to do. I've got to clean this part up. So it's going to be the limit as h approaches 0 of negative 3x squared minus 6xh minus 3h squared plus 9x plus h. No, can't distribute, so that's going to be plus 9h minus 10, and then just copy everything else down all over h. Now what you should notice is we can cancel everything out, and everything should cancel out that doesn't have an h in it. And if you can't cancel out something without an h, you probably did something wrong. So let's see, these two cancel. My 9x's cancel, 0 out. Negative 10 and 10 is 0. So what we're left with is everything with the h in it. Okay, so we go to, we're going to have the limit as h approaches 0, negative 6xh minus 3h squared plus 9h. Okay, all over h. Now there's two ways to do it. First of all, I want to factor out an h. So I get negative 6x minus 3h plus 9 over h. And what will happen is the h's cancel. If you're not comfortable with that, what you could do is just write this all over h separately. And then divide the h's cancel here, and you're left with 1h here, and you get the same thing. So basically what we have is the limit as h approaches 0 of negative 6x minus 3h plus 9. And now we can take our limits. That means everywhere there's a h, I'm going to put input 0. So the limit, h gets smaller and smaller, because this is going to get really small. So it's going to be 3, whoops, Sorry about that. Negative 6h minus 3 times 0 plus 9. And when you simplify that, our answer is going to be negative 6x plus 9, and that's your answer. Okay? The next one I'm going to do, if you need more practice, is going to be, where is it? I can't find it right offhand. But anyway, I'm going to do one more of these if you need extra practice. And I found it just now. The next one I'm going to do is f of x equals 8x squared plus 2x minus 12. So you should probably try that one, and if you can't do it, watch the next video. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.